Imagine doubling your website's content output and ranking higher on search. All of this without hiring a content writer, managing freelancers, or even juggling 5 SEO tools at a time. That's exactly what RankPal delivers. An automated system that researches your keywords, writes optimized articles, builds backlinks, and publishes everything on autopilot. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's tutorial. Okay, so let's begin our tutorial. The first thing that we do is go into any search engine. And in any search engine, we type for rankpal.io. And this is our interface. And as you can see, we can start a free trial. So let's click on it. So in the start free trial, you put your name, your email address, your password, you confirm your password, and sign up. Then it will redirect you towards a payment gateway. So as you can see, we've done a $1 payment for 3 days, or you can get it for $99 a month, so that no one misuses it, of course. Now we start the free trial. And as you can see now, it's processing. It will transfer it to our payment gateway in Stripe, where we will put our card information. And after inputting it, let's pay. So now our payment has been successful, and we'll be redirected to our web page. We go to the dashboard button, and here you can see you need to complete your setup. So I'll be clicking Start Setup now. So in Start Setup, the first thing that we do is put in our website URL. So as we have a blog website, so our website's URL is blog.scalebulky.site. Let's copy it and paste it in this page. Now, as the time goes, RankPal is currently revising it's learning about your software, your website, the ins and outs of your website, right? So as you can see, the name Scale Bulky comes, and what does your business do? It has already detected. And as you can see, the description is written in my screen. So let's select a primary country. For example, let's select USA. Let's select the United States. The content language will be in English, and it has already listed a few of our potential target audiences. Now, if you want, you can minimize some of them and add some of your own, let's say SaaS founders, right? So here you can put your target audience, and you can also input your main competitors. As you can see, RankPal has automatically inputted some of the competitors itself by analyzing the whole website. And if we want, we can add some of our own as well. Now I'll select Continue. So whenever I go to Continue, the next thing that we see is main blog address, right? So as my website itself is a blog, so I'll be copying this website, scalebulky.site. I'll put the main blog address here. And as you can see, the website automatically puts its sitemap here. And after that, we'll select Continue. So in the step 4, what you can do is set your content style preferences. You can set your content tone, your writing style, and also the target reading level. So for my website, I'm selecting casual. I want a conversational style, and I also want the target reading level to be intermediate. And if you want, you can exclude topics as well. For example, you have a website on finance, and if you want, you can exclude topics of crypto if you want. So as I currently now have no topics to exclude, I'll select Continue. Now, in the step 5 of the process, you can configure your article setting. So in the article style section, you have a list of drop downs where you can select from. So I'm going to select persuasive. And for image style, I'm going to select illustrations. And you can also choose a brand color. It's up to you. If you want, RankPal will auto-publish for you. You select auto-publish. And for internal links, if you want, you can add 3 articles per links, or there are more options. So I'm going to choose 5 links per article. Now, if you want, there will be title-based feature images. That will be illustration. You can embed YouTube videos. You can add call to actions. You can also include infographics and emojis if you want. Then next. So in the 6th step, you can join one of our exclusive features, that is the Backlink Exchange Network, where it's an opt-in network within the RankPal users, where they can exchange backlink with one another. So what this ensures is authenticity, and also exclusivity. So with the help of the backlink exchange network, you can build domain authority, you can ensure multi-growth, and it's fully automated. So if you want to opt yourself for the backlink exchange network, you just click on it and give continue. So currently we're in the 7th step, right? So here what you do is connect your publishing platform, and for me, that's WordPress. So the first thing that we'll do here is put our website URL. We'll copy it from our WordPress website. We copy it here. We put our username. My username is admin. And the third thing that we have to do is an application password. So how do we create that? The simple steps are written down here below, but let me show you. First, you go to your WordPress website. Then you go to users and select profile. And upon selecting profile, if you scroll a bit down, then you'll get the section of adding application passwords. So my application name here is RankPal, and for that I'll use a unique password, and my unique password for RankPal itself is the one given here. So I'll simply copy it and paste it in our website. Now, if you press connect WordPress button, it will be connected, but I'll be skipping it for now. So now we're in the final steps of our process. RankPal will show you a summary of all the information that you have inputted. You can see if all the information or all the parameters are okay or to your liking or not. And after that, you can press create my content plan. Now RankPal will take some time to generate your content. It's less than 60 seconds, I'd say. It's learning about your website, it's generating content, and searching for keywords, and also backlinks. So let's wait till we go to that page. So now that we've successfully onboarded onto RankPal, you can see a user dashboard. And within that user dashboard, there are key metrics such as total 90 keywords and 34 scheduled articles. Now, did I search for these keywords or research them myself or write these scheduled articles? No, RankPal did everything for me. Now, if you look into the key metrics, there are total 90 keywords. If I click this, it will redirect me towards my keyword list. So within my keyword, as it's an edtech platform in Bangladesh, there are a lot of keywords that I can select. And the keywords are segregated based on keyword difficulty, based on search volume, the competition, and cost per click. If I want, I can filter the keywords based on medium competition, let's say easy difficulty, and also cost per click. And based on this will show my preferred keywords. And if that doesn't suffice, what I can do is search for keywords myself and generate ideas. So if I write calculator tricks, what RankPal will do for me is search for or analyze more keywords relevant to the topic that I've suggested. So as AI is taking time, yes, I've come back with the result. It has given me a list of keywords that are relevant. So the difficulty here is less. The search volume of these specific keywords has been given. And now if I type add, this will automatically be added to my list. Now if I go back to my list of keyword selection, for example, if I want to publish an article on online courses Bangladesh or digital calculator price in Bangladesh, so I'll select this specific keyword and add it to calendar. And as you can see, RankPal has already added it to my calendar scheduled for 27th of November. Now comes our next feature, the content calendar. All the keywords that we've selected and generated articles on will automatically be scheduled for my calendar. So now comes our next feature, which is the content calendar. As you can see, RankPal has already arranged my content calendar for the month. You can see the dates on which the specific article on a specific keyword has been generated. Now, every day at UTC 6 a.m., a specific article based on a specific keyword will be developed according to your preference. Now, if you want, you can move around these keywords to set a keyword on your specific date. If you want, you can delete them. If you want, you can move them around, right? And if you want, you can view a specific article. Now, when I go to an article editor, you can see that RankPal itself has developed the article title. Now, is this a random title? It's not. It's a well-researched title. What RankPal does for you is develops the slug, the meta description needed. It adds featured illustrations according to my preference. If we scroll a bit down, you will also be able to see a relevant YouTube video added to my article. Now, if I want, I can manually edit the article according to my choice. As you can see, you can change the meta description or write the content on your own, and it will also show where the improvements can be done. And based on this, if I want to improve my SEO score, I can do it automatically through AI. So let's wait as it goes to improve my article forward. Okay, so now if you go to the view, this is what RankPal does from you. It changed my score from 63 to 80. So it makes my content more optimized for search engines and makes me rank higher. Now, if I go to the analytics function is coming. You can also do keyword rank tracking. Okay, so the next feature is the backlink exchange network. So within this backlink exchange network, what we're planning to do is create an exclusive network only for the users, paid users of RankPal, so that it improves the domain ranking, the authority, and also the authenticity of your website. So now comes our next feature, which is buy guest posts. So we've developed a guest post marketplace. Now, if you want to promote your brand in another website or publish it through someone else, or you want to reach a newer target audience, right? What you do is you publish articles on someone else's website. That is a guest post. Now, the usual turnaround time for guest posts comes down to 1 to 4 weeks. Now, who would want to wait that long, right? And there's no record of credibility, or you cannot check actually if that website is the perfect one for you. Here what we've done is we've incorporated 100 websites, and it will increase more in the future, with an average domain rating of 40, and the turnaround time is around 1 to 7 days. Now, what you can do is you can add to cart the specific website that you've selected and you want your article to be published on that website. You choose an anchor text, you write a target link uh, where that anchor text will be redirected to, and you can add a custom article by adding a Google Doc. But if you don't want to take that hassle of writing the article yourself, you can ask RankPal to write a high quality article automatically. You just select this and add to cart. And after add to cart, you can easily check out, and within the turnaround time, your article will be published in that specific website. So now if we come to tools and settings, the first thing we can see is integration. We can add WordPress, we can add custom webhooks, and in the article settings, you can always update your article parameters according to your wish and your specifications, so that they always meet your needs and wants. And finally, we have the add-on option. So within our add-on options for $199 a month, you can get 10 free tool ideas based on your business. This is a free tool builder package where you get 10 ideas, and from that you can choose 5 tools, and these 5 tools will be built by us and also incorporated into your website. And as you renew your subscription every month, you get 5 new tools. If you want, you can get human curated surveys for $1,000 a month, where keywords are strategically placed by human interaction. The contents are probably polished by real editors, and real humans help you outrank your competitors. And there is also directory submission service, where manual submissions to 350 plus directories are done. You can improve your domain authority, and you will receive relevant backlinks, and those will be of high quality. And that's all about for our website. Thank you so much for listening, and stay tuned.